Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video today. My name's Nikki if you're new here. So I put a poll on my Instagram, which if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. But I put a poll last night at like almost midnight asking if anyone wanted to see a last minute / quick Valentine's makeup video. I put the little poll on it and 98% said yes, or 89% said yes. So figured why not do one, and this is what I came up with. I had no clue what I was gonna do. Yeah, I really like how it turned out, so if you guys want to see how I did this, obviously keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, which is crazy, so thank you guys. And yeah, if you guys like this video, obviously give it a big thumbs up, comment in videos you guys want to see as well, and let's just get on with the video. Okay, so I already primed my face, but I'm gonna start with my eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you in for that. So I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I did a eyeshadow look yesterday. Didn't really like it, so we're just winging it. So I'm gonna start off with some concealer and just put that on my eye. I'm gonna do just one eye, do the other eye off camera, then do my face. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with one eye. I'm going to conceal it. So I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia and the James Charles Morphe palette. Yeah, they're both, obviously the Modern Renaissance has a bunch of pink colors, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. James Charles has a few pink ones that I really like. So we're going to use both. I'm going to start with the Modern Renaissance and taking this first color just to set my eye, or set the concealer I just put on. Which I don't put a lot, just a little bit. Just to make sure it's all even. I almost dropped everything. I'm going to take this pink color right here in the James Charles palette and just start blending this into my eye and see how that looks. Then I'm going in with the hot pink from the Morphe palette bottom corner. I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with the lighter one, just to darken it a little. So just lightly blending it into the crease, making sure it's nice and blended. Going in the Modern Renaissance palette. See that love letter? And I'm just gonna darken the crease and the outer V just a little bit, not a whole lot, because I don't want it to be super dark. Then I'm going to do like a half cut crease. I'm going to take some concealer, or I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer palette. So I'm just going to do from the inner to about halfway. I'm going to take that bright hot pink from the bottom corner again. Apply a little bit of this to where I cut the crease, and then take that same color, that sparkly one, and just apply that on top. Okay, then I'm going to go back in with Love Letter from Anastasia palette, just to blend the edge. Okay, and I think that's all for the lid. I'm not gonna do eyeliner just because personally I don't wear eyeliner. I don't have eyeliner. So yeah, so I'm gonna go into brows. Next, I'm gonna use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Do my brows super quick. lid and eyebrow done. I'm gonna go back with this side done, and then I'm gonna do the face and lower lash line. So I'll be right back. Okay, this side's done, this eyebrow's done. My battery's about to die, so I gotta pause. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna make this kind of quick, just because I didn't let my battery charge fully, because I didn't want to. So like I said, I already put primer on before I started my eyeshadow. Used the Bare Minerals Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. You can see. I also moisturized my face before that. Today I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, shade Golden Beige. I really like this foundation. Yeah, I think it's good. I'm almost out. This one, Maybelline Fit Me, are probably like my two favorite drugstore foundations. That's done. I'm gonna set my eyebrows because I realized I forgot to do that. Using the NYX eyebrow gel, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Is it just a little bit? I just put a little bit right in the center and down. Some on my forehead, a little bit down my nose. I'm gonna go back in to the James Charles palette. Oh, if I can open it. I'm going to take this little angled brush and take just the really hot pink, the bottom corner that we were using earlier. The color we used on the lid, going with the bright pink in the James Charles palette. Just highlight that inner corner. Okay, and then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm not going to do false lashes. One, because I'm about to take this off when I'm done, because I don't want to wear this all day. Two, I don't have any false lashes right now that I really like, or that aren't like super dramatic. So I'm just gonna use some normal mascara. And I'm using the Maybelline Rocket Mascara by the way. To finish off this look, I'm going to apply some bronzer. For highlighter, I'm going to take some of the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in Champagne. My camera's dying again. Take just a little bit of this and apply it on the cheekbones. Then I'm going to take the big highlighting one in the James Charles palette, just go over the cheekbones. For lips, I'm taking this pink by Clinique in the shade Bubblegum Pop. And then I'm going to take this Nicole Miller in New York lip gloss, just apply this right on top of that. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my kind of quick, kind of easy, definitely last minute Valentine's makeup video. I really liked it. I really like how it turned out, especially since I had no clue what I was gonna do. But I think it's kind of fun. I don't ever really do color and I really like it. So yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, let me know any videos you guys want to see in the future. I do have 2 new videos coming out in the next week. I'm gonna try to post 2 a week if I can. If not, definitely 1 a week. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.